All right, YouTubers, I just got this truck started, but the issue was it would just turn over, but it would not start. Once in a great while, it would start, but it would stop. It would just start for a few seconds. And I've had that issue before, and it was a crankshaft sensor. It wasn't popping up any codes at all. I scanned it, nothing. So I decided to just shoot for the crankshaft sensor. When I got down here, the crankshaft sensor on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma 3.5 is right here, passenger side. This flap was already taken off, and it's right there. And the connection was bad. I had to repair it, and it is expensive. It's about $100 for that. 3 little wires and the connection. So that was the issue. It wasn't making good contact. So I pulled the old one off and I put the new one on. And let's see if I have the old one. Okay, here's the old one. You have 3 wires. And the way this goes, facing you like that, you're gonna have the red wire first on this side, the green one in the middle, and the black one closer to me on this end. Okay, facing like that. And there's a diagram if you go on the internet. This one's gonna be the red, middle one's green, and this one way over here is gonna be the black. But I also pulled out the camshaft sensor and I cleaned it with starting fluid. That's all I had. So I cleaned it with starting fluid, and I'm sure that helped. And now it fired right up and it's running right now. All right, YouTubers, took the truck out for a test drive. Drove beautiful. Time to bounce. Like always, thank you. God bless. You guys are awesome.